On today's episode of WatchJRGo, we are back with my abandoned mini resort, and today we're gonna make a lot more progress. What is going on, guys? I am WatchJRGo, and today, like I said, back at the lake house, and as you can see, there's a big improvement just since yesterday. I made another dump run late night. I spent, after the sun went down, it was actually pretty hard to work. There's no light here. So just with the truck headlights, I ended up cutting all this wood into a manageable size and stacking most of it over there. I gotta move a few more pieces, maybe cut 2 more, and then I'm gonna kind of pivot that whole firewood pile as well. The crew is on the way from the house. I just got back from the rental place with some equipment for the day because obviously we needed a way to reach all that OSB that's on the back of the house that's gonna get torn down. So we got a rig back here now. This is an absolute unit. We rented this 45-foot boom lift. That should solve all of our problems with getting up to the back of this house. Obviously it's really hard to do without some kind of equipment back there, so. Equipment acquired, and hopefully when the dumpster gets here, he's probably like 10 minutes away now, I'm gonna try to offer him some money and say, can you help me fill this thing up real quick, and then make a run and then come back, and I really hope he does. Before he gets here, I want the dumpster where all that wood is. I gotta finish moving all this wood, so that's what we're gonna do right now, and a few minutes later, all this will be gone. It's gonna look so good. That is pretty slick.
It worked real well.
There you go, the dumpster's dropped off. That's a cool trailer there from Max D, and he got that unloaded in a couple of minutes, and this is looking better. I probably can't lift that air conditioner over the side by myself, but we moved. All the wood's been cut down, restacked. We got tons of room here, and more room is on the way. Actually, I threw away almost everything that was on our way over here, and we're only 2 hours from the Calvary, if I had to guess. So here shortly, everyone will be here and we will be going to work. I drug out one of these old shower pans or something that's cut in half. I guess that's what this is. They're all completely full of PVC. So I've been throwing away the PVC and then we'll probably have to cut those because they'll take up too much room in the dumpster if we don't. And those are my Power Wheels fleet we're gonna try to hook Milwaukee batteries up to. They may just go in the trash, who knows? I'm not completely committed yet, but tell me this doesn't look. This lot by itself was a Herculean effort, but we're getting there, we're getting there. I still can't believe they came back to this place and cleaned like half the trash out of this. I was expecting to need like 4 dumpsters just to get the trash out of here, but it turns out it's a little bit less work for me since they came back. Like, I mean, 2 days before I sent someone by, I was like, can you run over there and just get some video of this so that I know like how much stuff I have to deal with? And they showed up and cleaned out the whole place. So you guys are seeing some of the video and pictures of this before. All I know is by the end of the day, this place better look like somebody actually lives here, and it's just gonna be completely different. Well, we are making a lot of progress filling this thing up. Unfortunately, even though we're trying to pack it as flat as possible, it's half full right there. So we're gonna have to close the back door soon and start throwing over the top. And they did say don't overfill it because they have to tarp this thing. But Zach just finished up here with the lift. Well, the trees. And take a look at that. The canopies go up the way they're supposed to.
Kinda.
Zach, I want you to know that I did that one and that one.
Yeah, good job.
Thank you, thank you. That's all I wanted to hear. Anyway, we also lit this pile of leaves on fire here, and we're trying to get all this cleaned out. That way we'll have a place to hide the trash cans. In fact, as soon as I get the rest of the couple pieces of PVC out of there, trash cans are moving. And we've got another fire going downstairs where we're gonna start throwing all of the trees that just came down. That tree's gone, this tree's trimmed up. Big difference. And it turns out Tyvek's just vaporizes if you hit it with some fire. I guess it makes sense since it's fireproof. All right, that's gonna be a big fire here soon, and I'm gonna get out of the way. Sorry.
Ready, go.
we got a bunch of fire starters in the very center. So what you guys saw about 1 minute ago was it's starting. So here in a second, it's gonna be really big, and all of this brush that we just threw down here, that's all going in it. Anyway, I just stepped on a protractor and it went right through my shoe. That wasn't cool. Anyway, there's nails and screws everywhere, all around the property, and we gotta get it all out of here. We're gonna have to run magnets for so long. We're gonna need electromagnets to clean this. This fire's getting insane. We do have water, guys. We got water. We're gonna have to throw all this.
in the perfect place.
Yeah, we need to throw all that green stuff in and start getting it wiped out.
Oh, this is all gonna burn. This is all dry and old. So most of this is gonna burn like in an hour. This will be a dead fire.
Eric's under here cleaning this out, taking all the wood, just chucking it right on the fire.
Come on, Zach.
Zach's.
Think about the world.
Watch out for all these wasps. Oh shoot, that was coming after.
There's four things of wasp spray in the Atwood's bucket in the front.
I know, it's crazy high. This might not look like much, but it is an insane fire.
As long as it don't melt paint off my camper, I'm good.
Yeah. We were sweating with the weather, but we're really sweating staying out here. Here's our fire update. All of the trees are cleaned up. Take a look at that. There's our cliff over there by the camper again. All the trees are on there. The fire's burned way down, but they're up there throwing wood out of the house already. Take a look under this thing. We got it all cleaned out. Most of it's in the dumpster. All the wood got burned up, and we got a few more loads of metal that need dumped off here. But we sure did find the stairs that get you into the house. So we're gonna uncover those in a minute. Let's go inside. And I can't wait to show you guys what we find. Well guys, we've been foiled. It is absolutely pouring rain, but look how good the tree canopies look now. All right, let's go take a look at the fire. We gotta watch it. That fire is gigantic. Well, I'm glad the rain's here to help fight it back. We got a hose over there too.
Well, welcome to the gun show.
He's like, hey guys.
Anyway, we're hiding from the rain here and watching the fire through the window, and it's dying down really quickly. So hopefully it gets the rest of our tree limbs there, and then we can go back outside in a few. Eric, every time you hit this, the whole house is shifting. Like that window, it may be supporting the entire deck.
The whole frame.
Yeah, once that window comes out, it just falls.
Oh, they cocked it in, which is not. Framed it, screwed the window from the outside.
Oh.
Right on to make it nice. No dust.
Why is there tie deck on the inside of the sheetrock?
This is deck.
Close home run.
This is all gonna go.
Yep.
It's damp, so.
Oh, I bet it is. I bet there's water all through the whole thing.
They insulate.
Yeah, I'm impressed. Eric got this window out of here, and we found that they completely Tyvek the inside of this as well and insulated it, which is unfortunate. We got to get rid of the insulation. But we got all the sheetrock down off that wall, and we got all the sheetrock down off this wall. We're getting back to the actual exterior walls here, and that is great. Check it out. There was even a window in the bathroom. And they put the shower over the window. Crazy. Eric also got this window open to the kitchen here, which is going to make a big difference, and there's sheetrock in my eye. So that's the update. We're gonna get back to it. We're throwing everything out the window now. I wish we had the dumpster down low, but unfortunately we can't do that. So let's get back to it. Look at this thing leveling itself. It's so far up in the air. The front end's on the ground. All right, Eric got a sledgehammer. We just went shopping. The one thing we didn't bring was a sledgehammer. Obviously we got the nice new hole.
Fall down.
You ready to run? Nice. As soon as I move the camera. Nice. Hey, look at that, another one.
if I bought the 10 pounds, that was a good piece. So much more tired.
Yeah.
This is just a 6 pound.
Just throw it out. Well, we're gonna have steaks here in a minute, and I think with this nice new deck situation we got going on, we might have to sit out here and enjoy them. Hey, dude, that looks really nice, honestly.
Thanks, dog.
Why is this?
My left side's my good side. It's my strong hand.
We're just gonna shut the camera off.
I gotta take a break. Whew.
All right, Zach.
This wall coming out would be the next step.
Yeah, this
or that wall coming out. Either way.
This has plywood behind the sheetrock. That one does too. So whichever one.
Yeah, whatever you want to do.
Well, we did it. We caught the house on fire. It was probably the easiest way to do the demo. You can. Everyone's over there yelling. Honestly, you can see the smoke rolling out of the house. It's not actually from the house. It's because. Now that there's no back of this house, it's completely open, our smoke from the fire is coming inside. So the smoke is just rolling through here, but check that out. There's the old deck railing right there. Now it's got Romex inside it for the wiring they put in, and that fire should be out soon. And we can get back in here and go to work. Crazy. Look at these beautiful hardwood floors. There's actually, I don't feel any soft spots in these floors. They look great. It's crazy that they covered them with these carpets. All right, I gotta get out of here. I'm getting lightheaded from the smoke.
It is soft up there now with just a single. Like I have to walk on the stud.
But what's it look like from the transition to the real roof?
It looks like it's soft and slippery.
Because it's got all that tingle. A picture of it.
Okay.
Here.
I mean, I'll put a deck back on it. Worst case.
The fastest way down a roof right there. Huh, I didn't know metal roofs had a downside. This is a drive-through window here. We'll take your order as long as you... Oh, that one? Well, we could take your order for Flamin' Hot Cheetos right here.
Yeah.
It's 1-5. Dude, it is so hot.
Yeah, hopefully the camper's all right.
Yeah, camper's getting a little warm. I thought we were gonna take a break and keep going, but honestly, we are absolutely beat. It has been a day. Take a look at this. The dumpster basically full. All of those old containers cut up, thrown in the dumpster. Our trash area all cleaned up. The boom lift unfortunately has to go back tomorrow, and it cost a lot of money, and we didn't get enough done, but they need it for another rental tomorrow, and we couldn't have it for 2 days. Obviously, I redid most of that wood in the middle of the night, cutting it all down, and the whole frontage looks much better. I mean, there's a long way to go here. All these old fences will come down, everything will get rebuilt. I'm sure this whole shed will end up coming down. But you know, this is just our daily update here. The house is looking a lot better, healthier, honestly. Most of the trash is gone. A few things we need to throw away right there, but that'll be cleaned up soon. I better get on the boom real quick and fix that light. I'm gonna fix that cover before we return this thing, because we got some reach right now. Here in the house, obviously you guys just saw the latest update. There's less smoke. It smells like firecrackers. It's kind of amazing. It smells like a million black cats just went off in this house. There's your smell-o-vision for today. No cigarette smoke smells at all. Still have a window, very useful window, as you can see. Fire is burning down. Look at that. We got purple fire back there. Yes, we did burn all the sheetrock. It turns out sheetrock burns really well. I didn't think it would burn at all. I thought it was like semi-fireproof, but it burnt right down. So once we consolidate this pile and clean it all up, I just bought one of those magnetic roll-around nail picker-uppers, and we'll hit everything with that to make sure there's no nails and screws down there when we're done. Probably have to go over it like 30 times. But of course, we have all the house's original siding exposed now, and it looks really cool in that color, obviously. I know a lot of people in the comments love the color, and I do too. Check out this wall. I can't believe they covered up walls like this with sheetrock. They were really cool. All right, that's our update for the day. We are quitting. It's 6 p.m. I've been working since 6 a.m. It's been a day. Sorry that my energy's not there. I have been going hard all day. I'm 100% exhausted. So we're gonna finish up the last couple little housekeeping things and we're done. That is it for today, guys. Thank you so much for watching. And don't forget to head on over to shop WatchJRGo.com for cool shirts, not like this. And please like, share, subscribe, do whatever you wanna do. And I will talk to you next time. Can you believe I haven't even driven this yet? Zach had all the fun. Okay, so I'm on, which one am I on? Okay, we need a little bit of bottom boom here. Ooh, pretty quick right there. All right, I need to rotate. rotate. Probably not the thing to be on a thunderstorm, but this has to go back at like 6 in the morning, so I'm gonna get this done right now. I didn't know if that was gonna clear. I forgot my drone, but I can be the drone, check it out. All right, let's fix this light and get out of here. I can't believe how messed up it is. Just kidding, the security light's completely broken. So I guess I'll buy an LED one and we'll be back to replace it. I made the cover look like it's on there, but it's definitely not attached correctly. The clamp on the other side is completely missing. If you check that out right there, there's just holes where the rivets used to be. I'm loading the boom lift back on the trailer. Our last night with it, like I said. This thing is crazy fast. I'm gonna have to get one of these to drive to the store in town. I think I can probably keep up with traffic just fine. Going 3D?